Good morning, all of you. Today, I would like to discuss about the concept of monitors. When it is used, the monitors concept can be used in process synchronization. By using monitors, we can achieve the process synchronization. So, yeah, what is the monitor? Monitor means a high level abstraction that provides convenient and effective mechanism for process synchronization. What it means? Using monitors, we can create convenient environment and effective mechanism for to perform the process synchronization. So what is meant by the synchronization? Synchronization means mutually communicated between two processes. That is called as a synchronization. If the communication not performed successfully, then your process can be under problems. So, to avoid the problems, the process must be synchronization mode. Here, by using monitors, only one process may be active within the monitor at a time. Once again, I am repeated. Only one process is in active within the monitor at a time, which means one process can be entered into the monitor and completed the task. Then nowhere concerned about problems might be raised. If more than one process entered into the, we can raise number of problems, but this is not happened here. Only one process raised into the monitor. Next, there is a structure is available. The structure contains a keyword called as a monitor, and after that we have to provide the monitor name like function name. In the same manner, here instead of function we are using monitor, and instead of function name we are using monitor name, monitor space monitor name. That is the structure, and after that the monitor contains so many procedures as well as coding instructions. All are available within the curly braces. The monitor contains the monitor name, and within the monitor name it is having number of procedures and instructions also. That is the general syntax of the monitor. Generally, the monitor is entered into the structured, and the monitor takes the shared data. Once the data is given to the monitor, the other process are in waiting state. After the completion of the monitor, then only the monitor takes the other operation. Otherwise, it cannot accept the other operation. Obviously, it will get error free and no problems can be happen. That is the structure of a monitor. Thank you very much.